Hey everyone! Today we showcase our most popular bracelets. Links to all our products in this video are in the description below, so check us out. While you're there, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell as it really helps us out. First up are contemporary style bracelets. They come in a variety of different shapes, gemstones, white and or yellow gold. This particular bracelet is a two-tone, featuring a mix of both white and yellow gold. To fasten, this bracelet uses an insert and a clasp. The insert fastens itself with a distinct click, then is reinforced with a clasp to secure your bracelet. Next is another contemporary style bracelet with more unique features. Immediately noticeable is its more delicate, dainty look, with both the links and the diamonds set in white gold. To fasten, this bracelet uses a claw mechanism. Delicately, the lever portion is pushed down and is gently threaded with a loop on the other end of the bracelet. As previously mentioned, contemporary style bracelets come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and gold. Let your taste in fashion decide between thinner and broader sizes, white and yellow gold, and even the shapes the gemstones are set in, such as the diamond or circular setting. Our next bracelet is called a bangle. As seen here, bangles are solid pieces of jewelry in contrast to the individually linked flexible bracelet designs seen so far. True to form, this contrast will make its own unique fashion statement when set as part of your outfit. To fasten, this bangle also uses an insert and a clasp. We will open by undoing the clasp, which is accompanied by a distinct click. Gently pulled, the insert is clearly visible. Next is a bracelet style well known all around the world, called the tennis bracelet. They come in a variety of shapes and designs and can also be set with different gemstones, such as sapphires, rubies, and more. However, diamonds are the most popular gems set within this design. The bracelet showcased here is called the half bezel set. It has a lot of gold, both on the sides, the bottom, as well as the top. To fasten, the half bezel uses a slightly different insert and clasp than seen before. The insert is actually a loop that is double fastened with both a click and a safety clasp. To open, gently unlock the safety clasp and then insert the loop into the now unblocked slot. The loop is received by a distinct click. The bracelet is then further secured by locking the safety hinge back on. Here is another variation of the tennis bracelet. It is set in yellow gold, and every link on the bracelet has a diamond held in place by 4 gold prongs. The design also provides more flexibility and comfort in movement. To fasten, this variation features the same type of insert and clasp as the half bezel. Once again, to open, gently unlock the safety clasp, then insert the loop into the now unblocked slot. The loop is received by a distinct click. The bracelet is then further secured by locking the safety hinge back on. Our final design is a more classic version of the tennis bracelet. Even at first glance, one can appreciate the classic look with slightly angular square diamond settings. From the side, the intricate crisscrossing design pattern can be appreciated. This design beautifully marries fashion with function, as a crisscross also serves as prongs that hold the diamonds in place. To fasten, this classic look tennis bracelet features an insert and double clasp. To secure the bracelet, the insert is first received into its slot with a distinct click. The insert is further secured by a clasp on both its adjacent sides. Here are all 3 tennis bracelets side by side for comparison. For reference, the right bracelet is indeed set with the largest stones compared to the bracelets to its left. As well, the links of each bracelet are distinctly different. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Here we showcased our most popular bracelet styles. As always, the links to all our products shown here are in the description below. Visit us at our website for many more selections, or get in touch with us through any of our media channels. And since you're here, Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, as it really helps us out. See you in the next one.